And during that time, I was just having fun. And nung lumaki ako, syempre, may mga priorities tayo. Kailangan natin mag-aral, unrelated yung course. But then, I went back to what makes me happy. And I think that's the beauty. Kung paano mo makukuha yung ex mo or kung paano mo babalikan yung ex mo.
I love that kasi I actually didn't get to announce it. Si Odin graduated with a degree in IT. And again, summa cum laude. Sabi ko nga, kami ni Tito JR Mustard, kung nag-graduate sa with honors, kami nag-graduate lang. Diba? Pumasa lang kami. But, you know, and the fact is, ang laking bagay na what they're doing now has nothing to do with their courses. Honestly, diba? So, whatever your courses are, you have to remember, it doesn't mean that that's going to be your whole life.